Hey guys, what's up? MD here. I want to ask you guys to join me tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern, and I will be on the Fpv NoobTube. What? So put the link in the description down below. Yeah, just click, you know what I mean, click it, and it'll take you over there. So come check us out. Josh with Roby over there. Show you guys the drones. That's all. Josh with Roby over there. Chuck It, which is Charles Hoover, Dame, I don't know Dame, but I will meet Dame tomorrow, and you guys know the Drone Network, so come check me out, FPV NoobTube. I'm a noob, and I'm gonna be on the tube, y'all mean? Yup. Alright, see you guys over there. I'll put the link in the description down below. A few of you asked me to make sure they had a link for it, so this is what I'm doing it for. Alright guys, look at the 3-inch there. See you on the flip side.